This is my version of the desk clock, the same type you see on AliExpress. Why some creators recreate this amazing desk clock with Seed Studio ESP32, which costs a little more expensive than the regular ESP32C3, I have decided to design my version on a low budget. That means ESP32C3, not Seed Studio ESP32. Why? So yes, I am talking to you. You can build this version with this cheap MCU. My version displays time, weather forecast, Wi-Fi connection status, calendar day and event updates, inspirational quotes, and this animation shows up when you're not touching the desk clock. To build this, I used a 0.9-inch OLED display driven by an ESP32C3 super mini board. I told you it was cheap, and a touch sensor. Now, as an engineer, if you are starting a new project and you begin soldering immediately, shame on you. Yes, you. What are you thinking? What if a component goes bad? How do you get it off without messing your soldered masterpiece? Never solder immediately. I introduce the breadboard. Sleek, easy to use, and can carry all of your mistake while keeping its mouth shut.
Okay, so what do I do next?
Make all your connections here, you piece of biomaterial non-robotic engineer. I know you've seen it already, but make sure to use good jumper wires too. You don't want to be like me in my very first embedded systems project. Jumper wires played me dirty, bro. And make all of these connections exactly like this. It should show up on the screen any moment from now. Now, the code. I'm not going to teach you how to write the code. I've left it in the comment sections, by the way. This is a basic Arduino/ESP32 config and cross-check. Make sure you input your correct Wi-Fi credentials. And for Google Calendar date and event update, you have to create a Google Script web app. If you want more details on how to do it, let me know in the comment section. But if you don't need that feature, well, no problem. Search for your locations, latitude and longitude, and use it to replace these ones you have in this code, so you have accurate weather updates. And lastly, set your time zones correctly here. And this is pretty much it. Hit upload. Once you upload the code, the OLED comes up and connects to your hard-coded Wi-Fi address. As you can see, we have the time, weather, agenda, which says no event, calendar, and animation showing well. The inspiration text seems to be lagging some inspiration. We'll fix that in the future. Now, let's make the body. Since I am on a budget, I'm going to make use of a straw board. Easy to use material. You can use a 3D printer, you rich dudes. And see, no rocket science. Do whatever design you want here. Subscribe to the channel, like, and tell us if you rather build than to buy yours.
Is this love in me? Just a bad memory. When you came around.
Now, you see the section, this very section. Now you can solder because you've confirmed your hardware and software works in the beginning with a breadboard. Easy, you little piece of biomaterial non-robotic engineer. So to reduce many wiring, I soldered OLED GND and VCC to the corresponding pins on the touch sensor, respectively.
Just a bad memory.
And yabilabadu, we are done. Now, if you built this, give me a high five in comments.
You come around, you know. When you were down, when you were down, when you were down, I made you whole.
Here's me pretending to be working on my laptop to test the aesthetics of this DIY desk clock. Very demure, right? Oh, wait, is that a smart automated fan you built from PVC pipe and posted on your channel a few months ago? Yep. As you can see, fully functional. I will upgrade this. New features, extra components, Seed Studio ESP32 not included yet. YouTube isn't paying me yet, so I am broke. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. And if you can't build this, here's something I know you can definitely build. Check it out. Thanks for watching.